Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legit back-to-back news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh information we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say the lawmaker wey dey represent Borno South Senatorial District, man wey dey known for his sharp mouth, man wey dey known for criticizing our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, even as the two of them dey under the same umbrella, even as the both of them dey for inside one political party. This countryman dey go by the name Ali Ndume. Once again, this man don come outside come dey condemn the activities and policies implemented by this administration led by our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And now for inside one interview wey Senator Ali Ndume get with Tori people on Tuesday, wey be the 24th day of June for inside this year, so wey be 2025, him now dey yarn dey give Tori people say with the growing hardship plus economic instability and insecurity across the states dem for inside we nation Nigeria, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu for no dey silent at all if to say na another person na be president of the nation. That is, as men now dey see shege bro marks almost on a daily basis, as insecurity now don plaster for we nation Nigeria. If to say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu was just a civilian, he no get anyhow wey for remain silent at all. He for still criticize the government, he for still talk things and things about how things be for South nation Nigeria. Senator Ali Ndume now dey let men dey know say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu is known as someone who does not hesitate to speak on issues of governance. That na why in dey believe 100 say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu for don lead a protest. The man for don enter street dey do I no go gree. If to say no be in government wey dey in charge, if to say no be him be president of the nation. Now according to how Senator Ali Ndume take yarn this level, so he say him na a son of nobody who became somebody without knowing anybody. And if men ask our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, men go find out say him no be his dependent at all. That is, he no dey depend on our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Instead, him na his ally. And if men were to swap positions, that is, him wey be Ali Ndume na be president of the nation, then our president na be senator, then him now Ali Ndume president of the nation dey do the things and things wey him now dey do in office today. Him better say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey be senator for don enter street do protest. And this protest of a thing, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu don do am before, even if the government belongs to him. If the wrong thing is happening, protest supposed to come board. This my good people na the statement of Ali Ndume during the interview wey he get with Tori people. Now the matter no end there. He now constant proceed for that the yarn dey give Tori people and the general public say him wey be Senator Ali Ndume, he go continue to be on the side of truth. As in dey talk dey go, he no care who the thing dey pain and he no care how the person want to react. And he say even today sef, somebody from the government dey yarn dey give am say make him just come over, but he no go come over at all. Him na a senator, and under a real democratic setting, na our president na supposed to dey lobby him wey be senator on issues, because he na no get vote for him as a senator, but the senator get vote for him as a president. And he dey strongly dey believe say this power or this position now wey dey occupy, now God na go fit last collect am from am, no be anybody. But before then, there's a responsibility on his shoulders to talk the truth and always the truth. And then on the matter of defections, as politicians now dey cross carpet from their various parties, they go the ruling All Progressive Congress. Senator Ali Ndume wey be the lawmaker wey dey represent Borno South, he na come dey describe the ruling party wey be APC as an overloaded ship that is capable of sinking. Senator Ali Ndume now dey condemn the numerous and unguarded defections of politicians from their opposition party to the ruling All Progressive Congress. And he now dey yarn say the party dey appear to be in danger, and if the party dey continue to dey accept the numerous defectors, if the party dey continue to dey accept men wey dey cross carpet from other political parties dey come the ruling party, there is possibility say the party fit collapse. Like this now, my good people, Senator Ali Ndume no dey in support of defectors. He no dey in support of the move as men now dey cross carpet dey come the ruling All Progressive Congress. him dey also dey express his dissatisfaction with the trajectory of the ruling party under the leadership of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, as im dey criticize the growing defection of politicians, im still dey draw ear dey sama warning say there cannot be true democracy without a strong opposition. Jumping ship without ideology or conviction e dey weaken democracy and e dey endanger the future of we nation Nigeria. Now, even as im dey strongly dey criticize the policies and the things wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey do for im administration and the way im dey lead the All Progressive Congress, the man dey let the general public dey know say im still plaster no matter the matter for the APC o. Now, despite all his observations, his loyalty still dey remain with the All Progressive Congress. But for now, im say im dey believe 100 say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu get the capacity to fix things. But if nothing change, im go reconsider because im no go down with a sinking ship at all. That is, if e be say after all the warning wey im don drop, men ignore am and last the party come collapse. At that time, before the APC go collapse, at that time before the ship go sink, im go make sure say im cross carpet. But for now, his loyalty 100 still dey with the ruling party. This my good people na the statement of Senator Ali Indome. And unto these remarks so wey this countryman don drop, I believe say many countrymen so they go dey in support, while some go criticize, some go kick against am. But that na wetin dey make us human being. All fingers no dey equal. Everybody dey entitled to their own opinion. So sake of this report, so my good people, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contribution about this informate, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments, down your contribution inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give one our latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, maybe Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this report, if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey go get more news, me dey go get more reports, me dey go gather more intel for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.